How to fix login error on Sweat Wallet app. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to fix login error on Sweat Wallet app. So in that case, what you have to do is you need to go ahead and there are a couple of different ways on how you can fix it. First of all, you can try updating your application. So for that, you could go ahead and open up your Play Store, check whether the app needs to be updated or not. If the application is completely updated and you're still facing this sort of issues, then what you can do is you can try checking your login information. Sometimes you might have mistaken with your password, or maybe some sort of word might be missing. Some sort of word or a number might be missing. So you can go ahead and recheck your password and try logging into your account. That should be able to fix the issue. That's not the case, then sometimes it might be an issue from the server itself. So you can just wait patiently until it is completely recovered. Likewise, you could also check whether the app, and you can try reinstalling the Sweat Wallet app once again, and this should be able to fix the issue all at once. So by following this step, you should be able to fix Sweat Wallet login issue. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.